What's up? This is Tiger. If you are new to creating a website, you've never done it before, and you're maybe even doing your first searches online on figuring out how to start a website, get started, you have some ideas, you've maybe seen some commercials about, little website startups or website builders, where they say, hey, start, get a free website today, or you can start a new website, build a business online, blah, blah, blah. Let's say you're brand new to this. Okay, and you have no idea, where to start, how to even register a domain name. You don't know what kind of blogging platform you need. You don't know anything. You don't even know what WordPress is. Well, that's what I'm here for. I'm going to tell you where to start, what blogging platform you need, and really, convince you that there's really no other option. And by the end of this video, I'm pretty sure you will be convinced of that. This is the very beginning. It starts with WordPress, the main blogging platform that you will use to host everything that you do on your website, okay? WordPress.org. This is the website you want to go to. If you want to learn more about WordPress, it starts here. Know that there's actually two different WordPress sites. WordPress.org is really for people who want to own their own WordPress site with their own domain. And WordPress.com actually is more like you can actually create a website on WordPress.com, a free site, without using your own domain. Okay. Now I don't know. If you're really that interested in the difference between these sites, that's about all I know. I'd have to research it. Maybe you can actually, do the same thing from both sites, purchase your own domain. So you don't have something that looks like WordPress.com/ your new site. You don't want that. You want this here, your domain, your URL, to be custom. Okay. But WordPress.com is more of a site where you can run a site on this site. But WordPress.org is more like a database for the themes and plugins that you can download, and you can actually download the actual software from here, and it gives more information about the platform, okay? And the coolest thing about it is it's free, okay? The platform is free, but let me tell you, they make a lot of money from, things that are connected to WordPress, okay, maybe ads. They make a lot of money in a lot of different ways. This is an open source platform that allows third-party developers to collaborate and create themes and plugins for the software and allow anybody to use them, edit them, embellish them. And it's a really cool thing because WordPress is an enormous community, okay? So I'm not going to show you how to install WordPress. It all depends on who your host provider is. That's trickier, okay? You can, to even use WordPress, you have to have a hosting provider like HostGator.com. And I highly recommend HostGator.com. And you can check out my affiliate link in the description box of this YouTube video for that link. And that can actually guide you through the steps of installing WordPress on your site. You have to have a domain. That's the only way you want to go. You don't want to use a free site. You want to have your own custom domain. And combining HostGator with WordPress is a fantastic solution to get your first website up and running. Okay, so just know that you can go to these tabs here. Okay. And how WordPress really works is based on two main things here, okay? You have themes and plugins. Themes are basically the paint job of your site, what it looks like, okay? You choose what your site looks like by installing and activating a free theme or paying for one. Now, I highly recommend paying for one, or at least upgrading to the pro version of a free theme, okay? You lose features, and they oftentimes have little watermarks and things that you don't want on your site, okay? The free versions of themes oftentimes are just a way of exposing you to their theme, giving you a chance to upgrade, okay? But you can find themes here, okay? You can search for them here. You can also just do a Google search, and that's usually what I do. I never actually even come here, okay? You can do the same thing with plugins, okay? You can search for them here, and what plugins are additional functionalities of your site. Let's say you want to make your website website speed a little bit faster. Something like a WP Super Cache plugin will do that. Let's say you want to fancify your images and make them stick out in a light box with a little frame around them to make them look nice. You can do that by installing or downloading and installing a WordPress plugin. Okay, there's all kinds of things you can do. They feature some here. You can search for them, and once again, you can do it on Google as well. Okay, let's go over to my site and show you what the dashboard looks like. Okay, this is what the dashboard looks like. I'm not going to go through every single one of these tabs, but the tabs I want to show you have to do with what we just talked about. First of all, let's check out the themes I have on my website. Know that my website is currently a multi-site. I can actually sell websites on my website. And that's super complicated, but it just shows you some of the incredible things that you could do as an entrepreneur, marketer with your website. A really amazing way to monetize your site and generate income, okay? Just a really cool thing that you can sell, okay? You can sell websites. That's one possibility. But these are all the sites or themes that I have on my website. Okay, I'm a really big StudioPress theme guy, so I have a few of those, WPMU Dev themes, and you can even search for more themes, once again, through here. Okay, you can search for themes inside the dashboard as well. Same thing with plugins, okay? So that's a huge, huge thing about WordPress, being able to add functionality to your website and choose how you want it to look. Okay, really, that's just the starting point. There are so many things that you can do with creating posts and pages and adding media, and then even just tweaking your themes and plugins is really, really cool. WordPress is a really powerful software, and there's no other blogging software you even want to consider. There's nothing, absolutely nothing. I don't care. You could go to websites and do research. Do not even consider it. Everybody uses WordPress. And WordPress fuels more websites than anything else. So let's go to my website. This is the homepage of my website. Okay, pretty cool, right? This theme is awesome. My homepage is actually a sales page for my network hosting service. I can host websites. Right, I can host websites from my site. Isn't that cool? I can sell websites. Go to WPMU Dev, do a search on that. You'll find their website, and they have multi-site plugins that can teach you how to do that. No way am I going to teach you how to do that in this video. It took me months to create, okay? So last thing I want to show you is a couple articles that I found that has some really fun facts and statistics about WordPress, and I just want to go over them with you and show you why once again, WordPress is so powerful, okay? So let's just read through some of these. Okay, so WordPress currently runs more than 66 million websites. Isn't that incredible? Shows you how many people are using WordPress. Nearly 20,000 people make money using WordPress every day. Shows you how many people are actually profiting from WordPress sites and how valuable the tools, the plugins and themes, are to you when it comes to actually making money online, okay? Nearly 17% of the websites in the world run thanks to WordPress, okay? More than 19,000 WordPress plugins are available. 19,000. That's what I'm talking about. All of that additional functionality that you can add to your WordPress site and allow it to do other things, okay? Let's read one more. Plugins have been downloaded an estimate of 285 what is that, like million or billion times? Million, okay. That's insane. Okay, let's go to this other article. Okay, let's read some more. 48%, whatever, that was stupid. 74.6 million sites depend on WordPress. Another user-related stat. WordPress-related keyword score 37 million searches per month. People are searching for WordPress, okay? 40 translations of WordPress. 22% of new U.S. registered domains run on WordPress. 20% of new domains run on WordPress, okay? Super popular. WordPress.com gets more unique visitors than Amazon, okay? That's pretty crazy. WordPress.com employs only 229 people. Only 229 people run WordPress. 6 new WordPress.com posts every second, whatever. Let's go to one more. I think this was my favorite article out of these. Maybe not. I don't know. 76.5 million blogs from WordPress. That's how many users there are. 25% of all websites globally are WordPress sites. Number of posts that have been written with WordPress, 2.5 billion. Number of comments that have been left on WordPress sites, 3 billion. Number of new WordPress websites added daily, 50,000. Number of people who view WordPress blogs monthly, 409 million. Okay, you get the point. You could go to these websites, go to these articles, read them all you want. Bottom line is get a WordPress site. There's no other option. It is the best. Everybody's using it. It is extremely useful in every way you could possibly imagine. Get a WordPress site. Check out my affiliate links below, and it will guide you all the way through. Okay? Peace out. Tiger.